Hi class, this is Cheryl Cook, and I will be your instructor for the Dentrix training portion of your class. Dentrix software is one of the most widely used programs in dental software, and so you will very likely, you know, be introduced to it once you start your career in a dental office. But the first thing you see once you log into MindTap will be Dentrix practice weeks 1 through 7. If you click on the arrow, you will see all the items, and it tells you there are 4 activities, but that just means 4 different areas to look at. If you click on this first link, it will give you the instructions on how to download the software. If you click on this next link, download Dentrix student software, it's going to automatically download the Dentrix software to your computer. So this is awesome. There's no disk, there's no USB drive. It's simple, easy, and just follow the instructions. If you have problems, you can contact me. I will post my information. Once you download the software, the majority of the work that you'll do for Dentrix will be in the school portal. However, under these 2 links, patient management, and I shouldn't have clicked on it, but if we want to go back, we could just close out the arrow and then I'll scroll back up. And then practice management gives you some practice and some exercises that you can do for these areas. Please do these areas, but you don't submit them for a grade. The items that you submit for a grade will be in the portal. And I have different videos for those, and you'll have access to those as the weeks go. So anyway, we under patient management, these are the categories. We'll have an introduction, exercises and activities, the clinical chart, additional exercises and activities on each one. So sorry, my voice is a little scraggly today because I am a little under the weather, but each area gives you a great rundown and description of that area. You'll have some exercises and activities for that area, and so on and so forth. And same thing for the practice management part as well. So there are different categories that are covered under each one of these areas. So anyway, familiarize yourself with MindTap really well. There's a lot of activities and things in here, but again, remember, I am your instructor for the Dentrix software training portion, and Miss Trudy and Lisa, and I think there may be other people that are your instructors for clinical, but they will be your instructors for the remainder of the portion of the course. But you will start with them on week 1 as well. In addition to your other week 1 items, you will be working on Dentrix. Okay, so this is the MindTap portion, and then we are going to go ahead and end this video, and then we will go over each week's assignments and activities in the student portal. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to working with all of you. Have a great day.